Hello, good afternoon everyone. Andito po si Ma'am Jamie and si Sir Mark. Sila po yung nagpa-event sa atin today. Binigyan po ni Mark J. So, magbibigay lang po sila ng konting feedback sa experience nila sa venue and food po natin. Yes, Ma'am.
Good day everyone, lahat na nanonood. Sobrang thankful kami dito sa Hong Kong Noodles and Dim Sum House. Sobrang na-exceed nila yung expectations namin. Super happy, lahat ng gusto, lahat ng kailangan na provide. Thank you so much tapos yung food. Hindi ko ina-expect na ang sarap. Tapos ganun pala kadami yun. Sobrang dami ng servings. Nakita ko naman lahat ng bisita ko is nabusog, na-fulfill yung gutom nila. Thank you so much. Until the next event, we will choose this again. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Jamie, for that good feedback. Thank you, Ma'am Sir Mark. And we hopeful po sa susunod na event. Ang first birthday ni baby. Sana po sa amin ulit po. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.